In this video, we're going to talk about how you can set up attendance for your course. It's really easy to set this up. So to start, we're going to turn our editing mode on in the upper right corner. And then once you do that, you're going to click where it says add an activity or resource. And you could put the attendance module in any week or topic that you wish. I'm choosing to put mine up inside of the general section because it's sort of general information for everyone. And I'm going to click add an activity or resource. And then you're going to choose attendance. So this is pretty simple in terms of setting it up because you really could leave it the way it is if you wish. If you want to grade attendance, this is where you would expand this menu and make a maximum grade if you want. And if you've previously set up your grade book, you can put the attendance inside its category. In our case, we're just going to leave everything the way that it is so that when we set the attendance module up, save and return to course. And then once you actually create the module, now you have to set it up depending on your class. So we're going to click inside of where it says attendance, and then we're going to click add session. And then from here, we're going to set up our course. So we want to put the first day of when our course starts. So that would be the beginning of the semester. So let's just put January 30th, I believe it was. And you're going to put the time of your class. So let's just say ours is at 9 a.m. And remember, this is going to be Army time. So keep that in mind when you're setting this up. So we'll just make it an hour. So 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. You can put a description if you wish. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to leave it as is. And obviously, since your course is going to meet multiple times, you're going to expand the multiple sessions section. So check off repeat the session as follows. And you're going to choose when does your course repeat. So ours will repeat on Mondays and Wednesdays. It repeats every week, and then under repeat until, you can put the last day that this class is going to happen. So let's just say, for argument's sake, that that's going to be May 17th. I'm just choosing any date. And then we're going to click add. Now we've set up our class, so you can see it's showing all of the classes depending on the dates that we selected and the time that we selected, and it starts on January 30th. It goes all the way down until May 17th. So you would go into the actions menu in the beginning of class. You're going to click on that play button there, and then once you do that, you can actually set up the attendance for who's going to be in the class. Right now we only have one person in this class. And if you had multiple students in your class, you can actually, let's say everybody was present, you could set the P here and click the radio button and everybody will be selected. But if you have different types of attendance, you can actually just check them off individually with the radio buttons here. You may ask what these are going to stand for, the P, L, E, and A. And if you look down here, you can see that P is present, late, excused, and absent. That's what those stand for. Once you put all that information in, your attendance is now complete and you can move on to setting up other things on your class. The last thing too, if you had a remark to put next to the student's name, let's say they were late for whatever reason, you could put the reason they were late. Otherwise, you can then go back to your main page here and you're all set to continue.